Welcome to the channel. This is Ford Mondeo 2017 model, keyless and the automatic. You can see as it is. Oil change required. I'm going to show you how we're going to reset this light, but before that make sure done the oil service. After that you need to go through this keypad. This is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. You need to play with left hand side. First need to do ignition off and ignition on. After that you can see couple of message come. Press OK, and this one also press OK button. OK, all disappeared. Is coming to the main screen. After that you have to press this side arrow key. You can see it's coming to the main dashboard. Then after that you need to scroll down with this button until settings, then press OK. Then vehicle, press OK and go down, down. Oil life, you can see it's coming to the oil life, and again press OK. Then after that I need to press OK again and hold OK to reset. You can see now I am press and hold. See, it's countdown, it's coming to the 100. Now you have to exit and switch off the car and start the car. You can see now service light disappeared. Thank you. You know how to reset your oil service light now. Please subscribe and follow our channels. You can get lot of useful video and tips like this. See you in the next video.